आप क्या सोचते हैं? What do you think? What do you think? क्या आप इसे वापस चाहते हैं? Do you want it back? Do you want it back? आपके बहुत से दोस्त हैं। You have many friends. You have many friends. आपने कुछ बेहतर सोचा। Did you think of something better? Did you think of something better? मैं आपको कहीं जाने नहीं दूंगा। I won't let you go anywhere. I won't let you go anywhere. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I felt like that. I felt like that. मैं आपको सिर्फ याद दिलाना चाहता था। I just wanted to remind you. I just wanted to remind you. मैं फिर से उस पर भरोसा करने की गलती नहीं करूँगा। I won't make the mistake of trusting him again. I won't make the mistake of trusting him again. पहले मैं आपको कुछ दिखा दूँ। Let I show you something first. Let I show you something first. हम कितने बजे घर लौटे? What time did we return home? What time did we return home? मैं किसी को जीवित नहीं रहने दूंगा। I will not let anyone live. I will not let anyone live. बाकी मैं आप पर छोड़ देता हूँ। I leave the rest to you. I leave the rest to you. यहाँ कौन रहना चाहता है? Who wants to live here? Who wants to live here? आप जानते हैं कि वह कितनी नाजुक है। Do you know how delicate she is? Do you know how delicate she is? आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे थे। You were not paying attention. You were not paying attention. आप चुपके से कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Secretly. Where are you going? Secretly. क्या तुम मुझसे नहीं डरते? Don't you afraid of me? Don't you afraid of me? इसकी आपको चिंता नहीं है। You don't have to worry about this. You don't have to worry about this. मैंने तो तुमसे कहा, तुमने नहीं सुना। I told you. Didn't you hear? I told you. Didn't you hear? मैं तुम्हारे लिए वापस आऊँगा। I'll come back for you. I'll come back for you. मैं उन सभी को कैसे मना सकता हूँ? How can I convince them all? How can I convince them all? मुझे पकड़ने दो उसे। Let me catch him. Let me catch him. यह आपकी सबसे बड़ी गलती होगी। This will be your biggest mistake. This will be your biggest mistake. वह जाग क्यों नहीं रही है? Why isn't she awake? Why isn't she awake? मुझे क्या करना है? What I have to do. What I have to do. मैं ही हूँ जिसने तुम्हें इसमें खींचा। I am the one who pulled you into this. I am the one who pulled you into this. क्या वह मेरे लिए है? Is that for me? Is that for me? तुम वहाँ एक साथ क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing there together? What were you doing there together? मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं वो कभी भूल सकता हूँ. I don't think I can ever forget that. I don't think I can ever forget that. मैंने सुना है कि आप एक अच्छे व्यक्ति हैं. I heard that you are a nice person. I heard that you are a nice person. आप बिल्कुल वैसा ही करेंगे जैसा वो चाहता है आप करें. You will do exactly what he wants you to do. You will do exactly what he wants you to do. मुझे लगता है कि आपको अपना इरादा बदलना होगा. I think you need to change your mind. I think you need to change your mind. यही तो हमें पता लगाना है. This is what we have to find out. This is what we have to find out. जो हुआ उसे भूल जाओ. Forget what happened. Forget what happened. आप हमेशा की तरह देर से आए. You came late as usual. You came late as usual. अगर मुझे कुछ हो जाता तो तुम क्या करते? What would you do if something happened to me? What would you do if something happened to me? मुझे यकीन है कि वह भी ऐसा ही कहेगा. I am sure he will say the same. I am sure he will say the same. मुझसे पंगा मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. बाहर मत जाना. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. कहना और करना दो अलग चीज हैं. Saying and doing are two different things. Saying and doing are two different things. अगर आप मदद नहीं कर सकते तो मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. If you can't help, get out of my way. If you can't help, get out of my way. पहले मुझे जाने दो. Let me go first. Let me go first. मन में याद करो. Learn it in mind. Learn it in mind. एक सप्ताह के अंदर. Within a week. Within a week. मुझे इसकी आदत है. I am used to it. I am used to it. उसे मत डराओ. Don't scare him. Don't scare him. तुम कितने बेहरम हो. How heartless you are. How heartless you are. तुम बहुत भुलक्कड़ हो. You are very forgetful. You are very forgetful. इसमें तुम्हारा क्या जाता है? What do you lose in this? What do you lose in this? मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. तुम्हारे दिमाग में भूसा भरा है. Your mind is full of straw. Your mind is full of straw. इतना ज़्यादा मत इतराओ. Don't flaunt too much. Don't flaunt too much. मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है. My respect is on the line. My respect is on the line. मुझे मेरे हाल पर छोड़ दो. Leave me on my own. Leave me on my own. गलती तुम्हारी है ना कि मेरी. The mistake is yours, not mine. The mistake is yours, not mine. यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है. It is a strange coincidence. It is a strange coincidence. मैं वहाँ बहुत बाहर गया हूँ. I've been out there a lot. I've been out there a lot. तुम मुझसे जलते क्यों हो? Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me? इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. मुझे ऐसी हरकतें पसंद नहीं हैं. I don't like such actions. I don't like such actions. उसने खुद मुझसे कही. He told me himself. He told me himself. तुम इस लफड़े में मत पड़ो. You should not get into this trouble. You should not get into this trouble. मैं यही कहना चाहता था. This is what I wanted to say. This is what I wanted to say. इतना गुस्सा ठीक नहीं है. So much anger is not good. So much anger is not good. शक की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है. There is no scope for doubt. There is no scope for doubt. इस बार मैंने तुम्हें माफ किया. This time I forgive you. This time I forgive you. मुझे तुम्हारी हमदर्दी नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your sympathy. I don't want your sympathy. कुछ हद तक आप सही हैं. To some extent you are right. To some extent you are right. तुमने सब गड़बड़ कर दिया. You messed everything up. You messed everything up. तुम इतना ज़्यादा क्यों बोलती हो? Why do you talk so much? Why do you talk so much? मैं तुम्हारे साथ अच्छा बर्ताव नहीं किया. I did not treat you well. I did not treat you well. तुम्हें यह कहने का कोई हक नहीं है. You have no right to say this. You have no right to say this. कोई जगह रहने के लायक नहीं है. No place is worth living in. No place is worth living in. मैं तुम्हें पहले ही माफ कर चुका हूँ. I have already forgiven you. I have already forgiven you. मेरी खामोशी का फायदा मत उठा. Don't take advantage of my silence. Don't take advantage of my silence.